Hi there. I'd like to talk to the buyers just for a few minutes. I know you're working on the financing, you have lots of choices, and it's getting better and better. The interest rates have not gone down to what they were historically low, but we're seeing improvements in things that they're providing. The other thing that you're feeling is you can't quite afford the house that has everything that you want. So you're looking at houses that you're going to have to make into the house that you want in some areas. Well, the banks have renovation mortgages, so you need to shop for them. Ask your bank, ask around, find out what banks offer these loans. And that means whatever you're seeing in that house that isn't exactly right, if it's able to be changed, fixed, or renovated in some sort, you can wrap it up in your mortgage and get it wrapped up. So consider that when you're doing your shopping, and consider that especially when you're shopping for your mortgage, because it's a good possibility that you may have to include some renovation or something in the house that you choose. So when you're talking to your lender, make sure you find out what they can offer you in that regard. Thank you. We'll talk again soon. Thanks for listening. Bye.